Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
How you doing?
I'm good, bro.
You get a demo or you pull off? All right.
Finally get to get on a Jacob Viral video.
That's right, yes sir.
Right. Let's find something good.
All right, you want to give me an intro while you look for music?
Okay. What you need to know?
Everything, equipment, tuning, specs.
Equipment. I've got two SoundQubed HDC 3.118s with PSI Recones. Orion XTR 2500 1 amp.
Okay.
Everything else is factory.
Really?
Factory mids and highs.
Okay.
Running 80 PRS.
Well, what is this?
That's blonde wood.
Well, I've never seen that.
It's like birch.
It's like birch.
Yeah. Not as dense as birch.
Yeah. Okay.
Like that
PSI. What's the tuning and how much box space?
I'm running probably 12 cubes. I'm tuned at like 42. I'm peaking right now at 49.
49. Okay. Oh wow.
I'll throw some sandbags in the back of it.
Oh yeah, I understand.
That
Yeah.
It did peak at 46.
Okay. And have you metered it?
Yeah. Today was 49.1, but I'm usually running a 50.4.
Okay. Awesome. 50's
it's
nice.
Consistent. I'm a
Yeah.
50.
Yes, sir. What was your name?
Paul.
Paul. All right.
Rooster. I go by Rooster. Team OFC.
Rooster. Okay. All right.
Team OSC, baby.
OFC. And you built this?
We'll be a sundown too, yes.
Okay.
Me and a
Sweet.
buddy of mine. I've never built any kind of box.
So it was a fun project, I'm sure.
Oh, it was, yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 And I might pay somebody next time.
Oh yeah. I understand. All right, I'm ready. Sure, man.
All right, we gotta find something. I know what you want. I want some soft horses. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you said it peaked. How high did it peak at?
It's 49 now.
49. Okay. Yeah.
Pull them sandbags out, it'll be back down to 46.
Yeah.
So,
But you meter a little louder when you peak higher, right? Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Well, thanks for the demo, man.
Just needs more power.
That's right. Yeah. What vehicle?
The Avalon, 2007 Avalon.
2007. All right. So you said if you get more power, what's your goals out of it? Do you
I'm
know?
gonna try to do a 55.
55s? It's probably possible. Yeah.
I'm gonna go up an M3 next year.
Yeah, really?
Have a little
Okay.
more power to it.
Okay. Awesome. Well, nice to meet you, man.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, thanks for the demo.
No problem. Have a good
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.